once I realized the opportunity was there, I was like, I would love to go to Zurich. The fabrication side is really fun for me in general. So getting to like hear about everybody else's research and what they've used the system for, it's so varied. Like hearing about it's dramatically different from project to project, how the tool is used.
It's been really interesting. So the last 2 years, I've made sure that someone's gone just because it's the training aspect, and I recognise you need to build up some critical mass. And of course, unfortunately, PhD students move on. So I found it really useful just to see the different types of work that people are doing, to get ideas about what we could be doing going forward, and also it's a bit more direct conversation with everyone at Heidelberg about things that we could improve to make it run more smoothly.
It's one time of the year where I can meet all the people again and see the progress in the field, and that's a very rewarding experience, I have to say, because I participated in creating this technology, and so it's nice to see it being used by other users, and it's the quality of the presentations becomes better every year, and people are really doing nice things now with this tool, and that's a very good feeling actually.
Especially in nanoscience, it's such an interdisciplinary field where you have people from biology, chemistry, physics, engineering, material science. And, you know, I think every time I talk about it to another scientist, they're always in some different field or background, and then I learn something new that I never thought about because maybe I don't do DNA placement or something that some of these people are doing. And that's where I think at the moment getting these people together and really discussing what can be done is very inspiring, and also opens a lot of new avenues of collaborative research. So I think that's an exciting direction. And the workshop is exciting then for me because this is then the venue where I can come and share my work with others for the first time. And that's always like the fun part of research, I would say. Yeah, bringing that out into the real world.
I think it's just quite nice to see sort of the versioning community around DSPL and like how it's growing. I think it's also useful to get talk to the actual technicians and Jonas and Amin for like the direct problems, and it's easier to get a response when you see them in person, with also the tutorials that are available here.
Better than going to a conference with 1,000 people where you're just one of 100 speakers that go through the room that day. It's much more like it's just a much more sort of like intimate environment to really like discuss your work with people who are interested as well.
I learned a lot in the last 2 days. I met a lot of colleagues from all over the world basically, and the whole workshop has been extremely well organized, I have to say. So one of the highlights of course was yesterday, the social event where we went to a science museum here in the area, and there was a different kind of networking meeting, I would say, combining the best world of science and of networking together. So thanks a lot for the invitation.